Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of rehabilitation. The action of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment, addiction, or illness. For example, she underwent rehabilitation and was walking within 3 weeks. American pronunciation. Rehabilitation. Rehabilitation. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Rehabilitation. Say. Rehabilitation. Rehabilitation means action of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment, addiction, or illness. Rehabilitation. Rehabilitation. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The rehabilitation of the actor is complete. Now, repeat after me. The rehabilitation of the actor is complete. The second practice. I spent time with them during my rehabilitation. Now, repeat after me. I spent time with them during my rehabilitation.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.